Is your 2015 Chevy Tahoe's alarm going off randomly? You're not alone. Common culprits include faulty hood liftgate switches, key fob issues, or problems with the battery/body control module. Common culprits include faulty hood liftgate switches, key fob issues, or problems with the battery/body control module. Start by checking the hood and liftgate switches for corrosion or damage. Clean them thoroughly and apply dielectric grease. Next, replace the key fob battery with a CR2032 and test the fob signal. If problems persist, check the vehicle battery voltage and use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes like B0083 for the hood switch. Addressing these key areas is the first step to solving the mystery. For switch issues, aftermarket replacements are often cost-effective, around $20. Watch for trends using open-source diagnostics, with tools like Forescan software allowing owners to reprogram BCMs without dealership visits. If DIY isn't your thing or the problem is complex, consider professional help. Mechanics can diagnose BCM failures and perform necessary reprogramming. Remember, alarm issues are manageable with proactive maintenance. Regular cleaning of switches and battery maintenance prevent future headaches. By addressing these elements, you can ensure a quieter and more secure experience with your 2015 Tahoe.